Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the world of power inverters, and I've got something special for you.
Get ready to meet the best power inverter for home and on-the-go adventures. The Cummins 4000 watts power inverter.
This powerhouse of an inverter is not your average gadget.
With a whopping 4000 W continuous output, it's designed to power up your AC devices with ease. Whether you're on the road, camping, or just need backup power at home, this inverter has got you covered.
Let's talk versatility.
With 4 AC 110-volt sockets and 2 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices simultaneously, from smartphones and tablets to kitchen appliances.
Plus, with Bluetooth R monitoring, you can easily control the inverter using the compatible app interface. How convenient is that?
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers are raving about the Cummins 4000 watts power inverter. Fleet managers love it for their sleeper trucks, campers rely on it for off-grid adventures, and homeowners swear by its reliability during power outages. And here's the kicker. It comes with a full cable kit for immediate use. No need to hunt down additional accessories. Just hook it up to your vehicle battery, and you're good to go. Plus, it's officially licensed by Cummins, a brand known for its quality and durability. Now, you might be wondering, what sets the Cummins 4000 watts power inverter apart from the competition?
Well, for starters, its advanced features, reliable performance, and sturdy build make it a top contender in the market.
And with a range of wattages available, you can choose the perfect fit for your needs.
So, there you have it, the ultimate power solution for your home, vehicle, or outdoor adventures. Say goodbye to unreliable inverters and hello to uninterrupted power supply with the Cummins 4000 watts power inverter. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your power game.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Until next time, stay powered up.